Say goodbye to the complexities of online and offline programming. This is the Instant Robot Programming System, IRPS. Simply place your components. Scan them with the help of our advanced software. And weld. It's a straightforward three-step process. But what if you need to adjust your welds? The intuitive IRPS interface allows you to fine-tune settings with just a few taps. Setting up weld seams is as simple as using your fingertip. No need for complex programming languages or extensive training. Just place, scan, and weld. It's that straightforward. The future of robot programming is here, transforming the world of welding automation.